Let's see how to insert date and time automatically in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that you have a document that requires you to input a particular date or the date that you want it to be submitted, and you want to make it easier for yourself by having this field, this date, to be automatically being updated every time you access the document. So what you can do is head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Date and Time right here, and that will open up this window where you can select your preferred format for your date and your time. So let's say that we want to see our complete date and our time up until the seconds. And make sure you have this box checked, Update automatically, to make sure that whenever you access your saved document, that particular field will be updated. And as you can see right here, we have our date and our time beside it. Now, currently, when I selected this time, it was at 16 seconds. Now, to update that time when you're working, click on Update, and that should update your time and your date as well. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.